Before I start taking C60, my health has actually always been pretty good. I don't take any prescription medications. I'm sort of a person that believes in natural medications more than drugs you can get from the doctor. What made me want to try C60 Power is the ability to remain healthy. My daughter is also a user of C60 and she highly recommended it to me. My wife and I are getting up in age a little bit. I'm 75 and she's 76. And we both enjoy fairly good health. However, at that age, we want to do everything we can to maintain our health. And we feel that C60 Power helps us do that. If there was anything that made me hesitant to try C60 Power, it's just the fact that it's unknown to me. I was not familiar with the C60 molecule, but after I read everything online and I talked to my daughter, I felt very comfortable with it, and so that's why I proceeded. Every day, my wife and I both take 1 teaspoon of C60 Power. What surprised me most about C60 Power is I actually feel better, and I think I have more energy when I take the C60. You know, I've been taking it since July of 22, and during that period of time, I've had, some weeks where I didn't take it on a regular basis. And I think I just felt better when I know I feel better when I take it. Since I've been taking C60 Power, I have not been sick one time. Typically, I would have a cold or some things like that during the winter months, but since July of 2022, I have not been sick a single time. The reason I would recommend C60 to my friends is I think it just promotes better health in general. I'm 75 and I'll have a lot of friends that are the same age as I am, and most of them are not enjoying what I would call great health. So I've recommended it to several people, and I told them that it's made me feel better. I have more energy. I haven't been sick, and I just feel it will help them a lot too. I think that C60 would be good for almost anyone. And I say that and I have to smile a little bit because my daughter has an Alaskan husky, and he had become quite lethargic, and he's 10 years old, which is old for a husky. And she gives him C60 every day. And she sent me a little video, and she can get that bottle out. And as soon as she gets that bottle out, he comes running over there. He can be laying in the floor, half asleep, and he sees that, and he runs over there to take his C60. So if it's going to work for him, I think it'll work for me. Hi, my name is Lyn Bowen, and I'm from Greensboro, North Carolina.